Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to be Billy in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Roblox and then log into your account. Now once you have logged into your account, here the Billy is free for a limited time. So if you want to buy this character, all you gotta do is head over right now because it's only available for a limited time. After that, it will cost you some Robux to purchase the Billy character. Now in order to do that, all you gotta do is once you have logged into your account, head over to the marketplace option, and once you head over to the marketplace and tap on all, here you'll be seeing the OG Billy and Billy 2.0 option, which are completely free right now. But if you want to purchase it, what you need to do is simply tap on the OG Billy icon, and then here you'll find this small pop-up box, get item, saying would you like to get the OG Billy from Rock&Deer for free. Now keep in mind that it might be free or it might not be free by the time you have watched this video. Now in order to purchase it, all you gotta do is enter in how much the Robux it is asking in order to purchase the Billy in Roblox, and once you have done that, all you gotta do is select and you will be Billy in Roblox, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.